Welcome to Twisters. My name is Vinay. We have made an audio upgrade in Thar, so let's have a look. And we have also done the damping along the shots. So the video shots in here. Welcome to Twisters. My name is Vinay. Today we have worked on a Mahindra Thar. We have made a complete audio upgrade in this car. So we have installed JL Audio C2 650 components and Blaupunkt XLF 10A under seat subwoofer. We have also made some changes in the car. We have painted the alloys matte black and gave it a little red detailing over here. We have also painted the cap, the fuel cap in matte black. Then we have installed the door hinges. This is also in matte black. We have removed all the chrome accessories, including the badging and everything. We are completely dechroming the car. You'll not be able to see chrome anywhere in this car. You can also check out the fit and finish. Matte black, and the calipers we have painted red, and again a little bit detailing over here, the red detailing for the Mahindra Thar. We have kept the alloy stock, but we have just repainted it to matte black. Give us a few moments and I'll play the audio and we'll see how it goes.
इश्क वालों ने बहुत ही तंग किया अब तक इन ख्यालों ने नशा